Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosht t. Later that we do first derivative and we have sinht dt. This one we change by u. This one we change by du. The next one we can use about Weierstrass substitution. So I will put about z equal to tan of u over 2. So we have about sin u equals to 2z over 1 plus z squared. And the second one du, we will change by 2 dz over 1 plus z squared. So I will put this one going here. Sin u we change by this one. So we have number 2, and number 2. We simplify. So 1 plus z squared we multiply by this one. And we have like this. Next, about z, we can put number 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. So number 1 I will put into 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4. So if we look carefully about this one, that is about identities. So we need to transform this one into this one. So now we can use integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about z plus 1 over 2 equals to the square root of number 3 over 2 tan w. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Tan w, that is about secant of w squared. So I will put this one going here. Dz we change by this one. So we have 3 over 4 tan of w squared. 3 over 4, 3 over 4, we can do about factorization. This one we change by secant of w squared. And now we simplify this one over this one. And we have like this. So this one we have like this. About w, we go back to this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of number 3 over 2. and we have W equals to octane of this one. And now we need to change W into this one. About Z, that is about tan of U over 2. About U, that is about cosht T. I need to add this about this one. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.